Tired of chunky blenders cramping your on-the-go lifestyle? Today, we're blending up the best portable blenders that deliver restaurant-quality smoothies, shakes, and sauces wherever you roam. From ultra-quiet powerhouses to sleek cordless designs, stick around to discover your ultimate travel-friendly nutrition sidekick. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Nutribullet Portable Blender, the best budget portable blender. Blend on the go with the Nutribullet Portable Blender. This compact powerhouse wins the title of Best Budget Portable Blender. It's truly a game changer for anyone who loves quick, delicious smoothies. Weighing in at a mere fraction of bulkier models, this blender is exceptionally easy to carry. Toss it into your bag without a second thought. The 12 ounces capacity is perfect for individual servings, letting you enjoy fresh drinks anytime and anywhere. Plus, with color options like white, black, pink, and silver, you can show off your unique style. Build quality impresses right out of the box. You feel assured that it's made to last. With a thoughtfully designed lid, sipping during workouts or lunch breaks becomes a breeze. Blend leafy greens effortlessly, achieving impressively smooth textures. Use a spatula for seamless mixing, ensuring everything blends perfectly. Battery life lasts about 5 minutes, which is just enough for quick shakes. While it may require a bit more attention, it remains effective in delivering satisfying results. Noise levels stay low, making it a considerate companion in quiet spaces. What I love most about this blender is its simplicity. With minimal hassle, you can whip up tasty drinks quickly. Although it may need gentle handling, this minor aspect does not overshadow its overall convenience. Stay tuned for cordless convenience that blends power and portability without missing a beat. At number 4, we have KitchenAid Go Cordless Personal Blender, the best cordless portable blender. Craving a powerful portable blending solution? Check out the KitchenAid Go Cordless Personal Blender. This model sets itself apart with a robust 12-volt max removable battery. You can easily swap batteries for continuous blending, giving it an edge over competitors. This blender feels just like a personal model, not a flimsy portable version. Its power delivers impressive performance, making smoothies or soups a breeze. You can quickly twist off the drinking vessel from the base, allowing for hassle-free cleaning and switching between the blade and the travel lid. A chug cap design on the lid ensures smooth sipping, while the twist top allows for easy access. What I love most about this blender is its ability to combine convenience with strength. It successfully meets the demands of busy lifestyles. Additionally, its design is stylish and modern, adding a touch of flair to your kitchen gadgets. While it excels in many areas, some might find its bulkiness slightly less portable than other ultra-compact models. That said, the added power makes up for this, providing results that many smaller units can't match. When comparing this blender to others, its combination of battery flexibility and user-friendly features clearly sets it apart. If you're in the market for a high-performing cordless blender that works with your busy life, you should explore the KitchenAid Go Cordless Personal Blender further. Up next, a design that flips effortlessly from blender to travel mug. Prepare to revolutionize your on-the-go routine. Still searching for the perfect portable blender? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Nutribullet Flip Portable Blender, the best handling portable blender. Smoothies just got an upgrade with the Nutribullet Flip Portable Blender. This impressive model offers 2 standout features that make it a must-have for smoothie lovers. First off, its larger capacity allows you to blend more ingredients at once. If you constantly crave delicious smoothies, this will keep you satisfied without multiple rounds of blending. Silence is golden, and the quiet motor on this blender proves it. You can whip up your favorite drink early in the morning without waking anyone. It takes the noise out of morning routines, making your blend sessions peaceful. Using the Nutribullet Flip is a joy, thanks to its insulated cup and clever lid. The twist and flip design for attaching the blade adds a fun touch to blending. After you're done, it transforms into a sleek thermos with a convenient carry handle. This blends functionality with style, unlike many other bulky blenders. If you find yourself in a rush, the setup is straightforward. However, one little drawback could be the price, which might feel a bit elevated. Even so, what you get in return is a versatile appliance that stands out in a crowded market. After extensive testing, I can confidently say this is the best handling portable blender available today. Hold tight for the quiet powerhouse that handles every ingredient with silky smooth precision. At number 2, we have Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender, the best value personal blender. Striking a balance between style and functionality, Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender impresses. This model boasts a sleek design, with a minimalistic base and cup available in creamy truffle or warm black. Many blenders falter under pressure, but the Soho does not. You'll appreciate its pulse button and automatic blend setting, both of which offer versatility. While other blenders often struggle to break down leafy greens, this gem achieves a silky texture in smoothies. It takes a little time to fully blend ingredients, ensuring no fibers or seeds linger behind. Try packing the cup lightly for even fluffier results, especially when whipping up frozen hot chocolate. Cuisinart offers only one cup and a single lid, which simplifies storage. Although this might feel limited at first, it encourages a more mindful approach to blending. Cleaning up is a breeze, as you won't wade through an array of attachments after use. What I love most about the Soho is its ability to deliver quality smoothies with minimal fuss. Blending is a reliable experience, and you can trust it to enhance your morning routine without major effort. Though it lacks additional accessories, that won't stop you from enjoying a great blend. Simply focus on its sleek design, effective blending capabilities, and ease of use. Dive into a world of flavor and efficiency by exploring the Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender today. Get ready for a stylish, high-power performer that makes nutrition as simple as push and go. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Nutribullet Pro 900 Personal Blender, the best portable blender overall. You'll love the Nutribullet Pro 900 for its versatility and power. This personal blender stands out in a crowded market. With a robust 900-watt motor, it effortlessly crushes ice, transforming frozen treats into smooth delights. Your smoothies, including one packed with chia seeds, blend seamlessly, though some kale may leave a slight texture behind. One of the most appealing aspects is its stylish design. Available in 15 different colors, it adds a splash of personality to your kitchen. Well crafted and sturdy, the body forms a secure seal during blending, which makes using it hassle-free. Simply press and twist the cups to lock them in. Another bonus is the inclusion of both 32 and 24-ounce cups, alongside a handy flip-top lid and 2 screw-on lip rings. This assortment enhances user experience, especially for on-the-go sipping. While the larger cup may not fit in every cup holder, plenty of Nutribullet accessories are available separately, keeping options open. What I love most is the simple operation. With only an on and off switch, preparing your favorite recipes couldn't be easier. You won't navigate complex settings, making it perfect for busy mornings. However, some may miss the option for speed settings. Yet, this simplicity contributes to its ease of use. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best portable blenders. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which portable blender you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.